Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make great prompts in Talkie Soulful AI, right? So we'll just open it up. Once you open it up, you will get this kind of option, right? Now guys, you have to click on the top left side corner, right here, and you will get this option, create my Talkie. So if you just click here, you can just select here, for example, let's take this and I will just click on start. And here you can just upload any of the images. For example, I don't have any image right now, but I'll just upload the thumbnail here. Let's see that whether it's worked or not, right? So in this way, you can just click on focus and here it will just get focused here, right? And make sure you can just create any of the, and let's say here I'll choose anime style, right? And here in the prompt you can just write here that how you want. For example, let your this character should be in the dark or moonlight or something, right? So you have to just think of the prompt by yourself, that how story you want to create it, right? For example, I'll just create a, you can just write it like this, and I'll just do the same thing. You can just optimize by using AI, right? And it will just take a few seconds and it will optimize it, right? And here you can see that it wrote a pretty good thing, right? And you can just rate it and I'll just click on generate, right? So it's take a very few seconds to generate it. For example, so guys, you can check this, that these are the images and the characters that the AI generated, and you can see it's look pretty cool. And I will just like this one, so I will just click on pick. I will give a thumbs up and click on select, right? And once select, I will just go back, right? On the top left, you can just, and you can just pick this, and I will click on the focus, right? So you can just write here everything, whatever, right? And I will just click on the next, right? And again, it will take a load for a few seconds here, and I will just give a name to it, the description tags, and prolong everything. If you want, you can use the help of AI writer. I'll just click on it. So you can see that I've wrote the name, description, and prolong and everything, right? And I will just click on next. You can just add the dialogue or something. You can just add the voice, for example, just check this one, right? You can change the pitch and everything. You can just listen to it by tapping on this, and they're pretty cool, right? So I'll just click on there next. And by the way, you can just create any of the virtual or fantasy character you can see like this, right? And I will just click on the next here, and again, uh, just let me mute this, and I will just click on the confirm, right? And here I'll just click on confirm once again, right? And it's done. So I can just talk to her like hi, right? And just hit the enter button, right? And just write here, what are you doing? And it will answer me, right? And by the way, you can see hello, you look so handsome and all the stuffs, right? So yeah, it's pretty nice. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe and like this video.